Recognized.
Mr. Speaker, the Great Lakes represents the largest source of fresh water on this planet. They support more than 1.5 million jobs. They provide those who live near them with countless opportunities for outdoor enjoyment and recreation. My community of Western New York considers its proximity to Lake Erie as one of its greatest assets. We must strive to guard the Great Lakes against imminent and future threats, and this week the House did just that. Today we introduced the Guarding the Great Lakes Act, which will continue to help protect the Great Lakes from Asian carp and other invasive species. The Act will also take necessary steps to focus on permanent solutions by beginning work on water quality and flood mitigation projects. Yesterday, the House passed the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative Act, providing $300 million in federal funding annually to support projects related to the protection and restoration of the Great Lakes for each of the next 5 years. These are two excellent steps forward as we continue to protect these great bodies of water. I yield back the balance of my time.
Gentleman yields back.